What are we working on today, Tyler?
I'm working on adding some lights to the back so we can see what we're cutting at night. Because we're frequently cutting at night.
New hoses on?
Not yet. Close.
Not yet?
Ordered. Over here, just so you know.
What are you building?
Oh, custom fab work.
Oh, nice.
Gotta make that fit. Will it fit? Yes, it will.
Perfect. Nice.
Yeah, give it a little twist, but we'll test her out tonight.
Yeah. Jeez, Burrs.
Where'd you get the other one?
You got it forward.
Yeah, I brought those two red ones with.
The front crimp.
Amateur electrician.
Farm electrician.
Yeah, the heat shrink ones.
We just picked some flea farm was.
Oh.
We just stacked up some, you know. Some get you through type dealios.
Yeah, that's gonna be sweet.
Well, inner prime. You need to go worse and
You want to bail through it yet?
yeah, we were testing her today. It feeds. Doesn't tie so good. But
Breaking knots.
it's like cutting them. I don't know. Yeah.
Did he set it tied when he put it away?
Yeah, he hasn't used it for 2 years, so
Might just take a couple bales.
yeah, I don't know. It might be to do with this twine too if it was sitting in there. I don't know. Needs to clean up. A little love. She'll tie again someday.
Taking the kicker off or leaving it on?
Well, we'll have to figure that out.
You got those hay grapples. I'm gonna try
If
this
they
year.
fall right. I don't know. Put a new handle there on for me. $200.
For free. Go through the rest of the hay and equipment and the goats. Tyler's fair purchases from 4-H. One of the rotary rakes. And our latest purchase this year, we're going to try these hay grapples. They go on a skid loader, so we're going to try to take the baler and bale them onto the field and go pick them up and put them on the trailer, and hopefully we can save some time unloading and loading, really, once we get into the barn with all the different fields and everything. But we figure one for the field and one for the wherever we're unloading. So Tyler's got to get some skid loader mounts on his tractor, and Bruce does too, but we should have a skid loader to work for those. So hoping these are the ticket for this year. And we got the tedder we use. Kind of figured out last year that sometimes it doesn't really pay. It only really speeds up things by day. So if we got 4 days of good weather, we might not ted it, but we're going to experiment with that some more. And we got the big V-rake, get everything together, make baling quicker. Baling wagon, a little trailer, nice pond here, some geese. No goslings yet. Pretty much like a funny farm between the geese and the goats.